how you can change your private TikTok account to public. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can change your private account to public on TikTok. Open the app and log into your account. Go to profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right of your screen. Once you go to your profile, you can see if your account is private or public. As you can see, my account is private right now as it has been shown private account on top of the screen. Go to the settings option by tapping on the three-line icon that you can see on the top right of your screen. Once you go there, tap on the settings and privacy icon. Now, here on settings and privacy, go to privacy option. Here on top you can find private account, and it's been written, with a private account only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Now to change your account from private to public, just disable the private account option that you can find on the right of your screen. Now you can see switch to public account option. Just press on switch, and here, now if you go back to your profile, you can see that private account that was been shown before isn't shown anymore, and now my profile is public to everyone. By this way you can change your profile to public. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any further issues.